Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, my people, any which part of the world on there. You see you? Me want you stop scroll right now. Me have a little word for you this morning. You see that vacation that you've been wanting to take for so long? You need to just take the vacation. You need to live a little. You need to stop worrying about all the bills that you have and all the school fee and all that things. I'm not gonna tell you why. Yesterday I saw this gentleman on the beach, and elderly gentleman, and he was with his daughter, and his daughter asked one of the lifeguards to help her lift her dad onto a chair so that he could just go wet his foot in the water. Apparently this man had lived his entire life just working hard, taking no vacation. And you see now when he reaches that age, he can't even walk, go in a beach to go wet in water or walk on the sand and just feel the sand beneath his feet. No, don't wait for that age, my people, to enjoy life. You gotta live a little. Bills will always be there. Mortgage will always be there. You will always have some kind of responsibility. You need to incorporate a little vacation into the time. You know what my friend told me last week? She said, Adria, vacation is part of my bills and I have to incorporate it, because if I don't, I will never get time to do anything. My people, we work hard, so we have to take a little time. What's the point in working, and when we dead gone, we are left all of these things. Some of them ungrateful people are come take it. Even some of our very kids, where we are pouring into, when we left, where we work hard and give them. You think some of them are going to know the value of it? They're going to just sell that they house there. They are just spending money in their account, and not all of them are going to spend it wisely. Okay? So my people, I'm saying, live a little. That vacation that you have always wanted to take a vacation. Take a vacation and live a little, man. Listen, my other friend, we worked so hard in Canada and in Billa House in Jamaica. And you see, when you reach Jamaica, all that was left to put in the house was the toilet. And I tell my people, in take sick and go hospital. And you see, when he dead gone, the family them not stop fight over a dead left house. Like they want to fight them one another and kill one another. So I tell you, say, enjoy life a little. Me not say you can go out there and go spend your money frivolously, but me I say spend and budget so that you can live a little and enjoy this thing called life. My mother always says she never see no hearse a drag nobody earth the position behind them. All in the earth of the coffin. You hear what I tell you? So my people, live a little. Live a little, please. Take the vacation there that you've always wanted to take. As always, Mama Selva, have a beautiful morning, afternoon, evening, or night. Any which part of the world on there. And me gone now. Me gonna can put on for me to bathing school and fi go down a beach. Cause the little vacation soon done. Later.